Skiing is an amazing sport that can help you enjoy the snow for your entire life. And soon you'll be spending the day with us here at Giants Ridge, and we can't wait to help you have a memorable, fun, and safe day here on the snow. When you arrive, you will head upstairs and put your bags on the shelf in the chalet. Here you will learn some important safety information and get set for your day on the mountain. Come prepared to be outside by wearing snow pants and a warm jacket that's both windproof and waterproof. And don't forget warm gloves or mittens. Also avoid cotton, including jeans and cotton socks, as it gets damp and cold. Now that you're all dressed, your next stop will be our rental department. Head downstairs taking your completed rental form with you. First, you will receive a helmet. Your helmet will have a name and a number that matches your skis on it. It is important to use the skis that were given to you because the bindings are adjusted specifically for you. Next, you will get your boots. Be sure to get your heels all the way to the back of the boot. After they are buckled, try leaning forward with your knees over your toes to test the fit. You will want them snug but not too tight. Properly fitting boots will help your feet stay warmer and help you ski in control. Once you are all geared up, proceed out of the rental shop and head to the teaching area. After you've moved through the learning stations, you can take the basic skills test. To pass the ski test, you should be able to perform controlled turns to a stop. Experienced skiers can move directly to the testing station. Anyone who passes the ski test will receive their RFID card to explore the rest of the mountain. Your RFID card should be placed in a zipper pocket for safety. Use a pocket in a sleeve, a glove, or a chest pocket to better activate the chairlift loading doors. Your instructors or chaperones can help you find the best place for your ticket. When riding the chairlift, move forward to the load line when directed. Look over your shoulder as the chair approaches, then sit down with your back against the backrest and lower the safety bar. One of the most important rules is to ski in control at all times. This means doing controlled turns down the hill, and any skier who does not follow this will be sent back to the beginner area or to their teacher. When exiting the chair, look for the green school group signs for open areas. Trails marked with green are more beginner-friendly, while blue squares indicate more challenging terrain. A trail marked with a black diamond has more advanced terrain and should only be attempted by experienced skiers. We hope you're looking forward to a great day on the slopes, and thank you for coming and visiting us at Giants Ridge.